Please stand by.
Leave a like if you are depressed.
Test of emergency alert system. This test method initiated. National alert, and warning authorities. In coordination with participants, including your area.
What?
Had this been an actual emergency? This is only a test. We now return you to news broadcast.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The national tests in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and an official message to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, local authorities would have followed the FCC. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system. The tone alert. This is a test of the national system emergency alert. This system was developed by voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, the national authorities. If this had been an actual emergency, and local authorities would have followed Federal Communications. A similar wireless alert has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This system was developed by and voluntary cooperation with the local Federal Emergency Management Communications Agency Commission, an official message of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, local authorities would have followed the Federal Communications Commission